We are asked here to determine if the two fractions given are equal or either one of them is greater than the other. When we are given this type of problem, the best way to tackle is to make sure that the two fractions are like fractions. That makes the comparison easier. Now 6 over 5 and 17 over 15, they are unlike fractions. But if I make them like fractions, then the comparison would become easier. By the way, 3 over 3 is nothing other than 1, so we are not changing this fraction when we multiply it by 3 over 3. But in doing so, we are going to make the denominator 15. So that makes the denominator 15 and the numerator is 18. Now you see, since both denominators are equal, we'll be in a position to compare the numerators. Now the numerator here, 17, is obviously less than numerator of the first fraction. So the appropriate sign we can put is this one. So this is a very good example to show how to compare fractions having unlike denominators. In fact, we can take other examples as well. These are both improper fractions. Improper fractions because 5 is bigger than 2. It is an improper fraction. Now, if you want to check whether these two are equal or one or the other is greater than the other, the best thing is to make these denominators equal. So to make this equal to 8, it has to be multiplied by 4. So if I multiply the denominator by 4, I have to multiply the numerator also by 4. In doing so, that means I'm multiplying only by 1. I'm not changing this number. So it becomes 20 over 8. And our number here was 20 over 8. So you see, the appropriate sign we have to use in this case is the equal sign. So the best way to compare fractions is to make them like fractions. Well, thank you for your attention. I will come up with a similar example in the next session.